You see my screen right now?
Yes, we
You
do.
hear me?
Yes, I'm starting
Okay,
the clock to 3 minutes. You've got 3 minutes. Good luck.
okay. Hello everyone, I'm Raphael, CEO and co-founder of SpectrumLab, and we're developing the next generation architectural coating that minimizes buildings' energy consumption. Today, painting roof in white is becoming a widespread solution to fight against increasing temperatures. This technology is called cold coatings. Its market is worth $4 billion today and is projected to grow at a 7.1% on average annually. Cool coating value proposition is to provide up to 30% cooling energy savings while decreasing urban heat island effect at the city scale. However, this technology leads to heating penalties in winter, which can be greater than cooling savings it provides in summer. Therefore, we are developing a smart coating that is able to reflect in summer, as cool coatings do, but also absorb in winter in order to eliminate those heating penalties. When you apply it on the building envelope, the color of the building will turn white over 25 degrees, reflecting the sun rays. Okay, I will switch the video. Sorry, it doesn't work with internet connection. So over a yearly period, it provides around 15% of heating and cooling energy savings with a payback time which is twice shorter than alternative technologies. When we compare ourselves strictly to cold coatings, we deliver around 3 times more energy savings over yearly periods, being up to 50% more expensive, therefore providing higher return investment for building owners. So today, temperature-sensitive commercial products are not suitable for outdoor applications since they degrade very fast outside. Our secret sauce is to photostabilize thermochromic materials, but with our coating formulation and pigment synthesis, allowing outdoor applications of this technology. Our core business would be directly to sell kilos of coating to our core segments. Beside building owners and asset managers, we strongly focus on architectural engineering firms to have access to more projects and create visibility around our product. We'll be also offering additional services around the product, such as dynamic energy simulation before application or energy saving monitoring services. Considering the market share that we capture from cool coatings and standard finishing, we target a $6.2 billion annually worldwide. And by focusing in France and Italy, we target an annual market of 225 million. So far, we have raised our pre-seed funding with which we are developing our MVP. Next step will be to test it on 1,500 meters square of pilot project before entering in the market in 2023. Therefore, we are looking for $2 million in order to come up with our first commercial product, realize the pilot project, scale up SpectrumLab's team, and start entering in the market. This is the team behind SpectrumLab. I'm an engineer, MBA. My co-founder is a PhD and architect. We're working with Ronald, who is the inventor of cool coating technology, and together with Avri have filed more than 50 patents in coating and polymer technologies. Thank you very much for your attention, and please don't hesitate to contact us to be part of this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Raphael. So let's move straight to the questions. Are there any from our judges?
May I start?
Sure.
Okay, thank you for the presentation. Who is your ideal customer and how are you planning to reach out to them?
So the ideal customer, it's an architectural/engineering firm as our initial go-to-market strategy that is focused on commercial/residential renovation project, okay? Because this is the guy in the process of the renovation project that propose a set of solutions in order to renovate the building. So to them, we will be offering initially energy simulation on this specific geography to demonstrate the energy saving provided, and then sell to this firm the coating that they will apply and integrate the different solutions at the building scale. And then if they want additional energy saving monitoring services, for instance. So this is our initial customer sorry.
Thank you. Are there any questions?
Yeah, Raphael, thank you for the presentation. So where are you planning to manufacture your product? Will it be in-house? Will you set up,
for now, even for the next years, of course, we can't afford to invest in manufacturing capabilities, and we want to outsource the production, okay, to regional/national producers who have experience in producing the previous generation of architectural coatings, such as school coatings, okay, and then create distribution networks in geography that we cannot have access to directly, for instance, North America or China, in which we have a competitive advantage compared to previous generation. But the idea is to outsource to regional/national in order to still have an exit opportunity with the big coating manufacturers in the world.
Hi, Rafael. I want to ask you if it's the numbers that you mentioned is for like south of Europe or somewhere else as well, because you're mentioning about the heat and the cold. So is it going to be the same thing in Norway or just in France or Italy? I want to understand.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, in the very northern part of Europe, the best thing to do is to do a dark roof. Basically, that's the idea. In the most hot regions in the world, such as the UAE, the idea is to use cool coatings. In between, when heating and cooling are both needed, we need to use a dynamic roof, which is able to reflect in summers and absorb in winter. And this is where we have a competitive advantage. So the central part of Europe, southern part of Europe, in Europe, let's say, but the northern part on top of Paris.
Okay, I see.
And when you start entering in.
The one more question, if I have time. You mentioned about
20
your
seconds.
citrus sauce and pigments. So is it defendable?
Exactly.
How defendable?
Yeah. We are currently filing our first patent, and the main claims on our patent is regarding the durability of thermochromic materials, which before us they were degrading very fast outside, and we're improving the weather resistance of this kind of smart materials.
Thank you so much.